When you first open Inkscape, you will see a blank page. Click on File on top left of your command bar and look for Document Properties. In the Document Properties, you will find options to set up your page size and your display units. Set that up according to your preference. You can also find document properties by clicking on the command bar on the top right where the wrench icon shows. You can also use the shortcut key, which is Shift plus Control plus D. You will note that I got the rulers switched off. To switch it back on, you go on the View, Show and Hide, and you'll find rulers there. You tick the box. When you make a selection of any tool to use, you will note their name is displayed and the shortcut key. I've written down a basic list of what is displayed on the window, or more or less some of it, as everything cannot be explained in one video, as there's a lot to learn. The toolbox. You will find tools for drawing, selecting, and editing objects on the canvas. A canvas. This is where all the action takes place. The pen tool. It creates freehand parts. It evaluates lines and shapes drawn and produces nodes to form parts, which can be edited with the Notes tool. Nodes as an essential role in editing application. Nodes are points along a path that define path shape. Node handles are extensions that can manipulate the shape of a path. The Selector tool produces handles, which allows you to resize or adjust your pattern. When you click on the tool twice, you will notice the edges actually turn into curves. This gives you a chance of rotating your pattern whichever way you want to. Also, a rotation tool, which is in the form of a plus sign. If you position it wherever you want to, it will rotate it in that direction. If you don't know about that tool, then play around with it to get a feel of how it works. There are many ways you can zoom in and out. You can use the icons in the command bar or plus minus on your keypad. As you get used to it, you will learn more about it. Once you have created one half of your bodice pattern and you want to create a full size pattern, select that piece and duplicate it. Then click on Object, flip horizontal on the command bar. Place the pattern pieces as shown on the video and select both. Then click on Ctrl plus, which is a union tool. You will find that under Path, a union. Watch this basic bodice draft video on my channel. I do not want to make this video too lengthy. There's plenty more to learn. You can only learn from it as the time goes by. To learn more, watch future pattern drafting videos. Please consider liking, subscribing and sharing my video.